May kilala ka bang kahit anong problema, iisa lang ang solusyon niya? Nagka-problema sa work, resign agad. Nag-away lang ng konti, break na agad. Yung tipong lahat ng maging problema niya, automatic na pare-parehong pokpok ang sagot niya. Pero paano kung hindi pala yung problema ang issue, kundi yung approach niya mismo? Ilang problema na kaya ang sinusubukan nating ayusin gamit ang parehong mindset, strategy, o skill kahit hindi na siya bagay? This is what's called Maslow's hammer. Sabi ni Abraham Maslow, if all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Sa madaling salita, kapag sanay ka lang sa isang paraan, baka lahat ng problema ginagamitan mo ng parehong solusyon kahit hindi na effective. Kodak was once a giant in photography. Pero nung dumating ang digital cameras, they stuck with film. Bakit? Kasi yun yung hammer nila, film technology. That's what they knew. They ignored change. And the result, they missed the digital revolution and got left behind. 3 mindset shift to avoid falling into the Maslow's hammer trap. Number 1, check the problem first. Huwag agad solution. Intindihin mo muna kung anong klaseng issue talaga to. Sabi nga ng isang sikat na adage, a problem well defined is a problem half solved. Number 2, build a diverse toolkit. Kung martilyo lang ang alam mo, lahat ng problema mukhang pako. Number 3, stay adaptable. Kung hammer lang ang lagi mong gamit, mapipilitan kang pukpukin pati hindi na dapat. So learn to pick the right tool for the right job. Isipin mo, ano bang pwedeng ibang subukan sa problema ko? One skill won't solve every problem. Sometimes the smartest move is switching tools. Not every problem is a nail. So stop swinging like that's all you've got. Meron ka bang mindset na gusto mong pag-usapan natin? Comment mo na, baka kaya ko.